My name is Tony Grant, and I'm currently studying applied exercise and sports psychology at Central Queensland University. This semester, we were required to write a scientific research paper. This presentation is a summary of my study. The placebo effect, the ability of the mind to assist with increasing skeletal muscle strength and endurance. In this study, we examined, through the use of placebos, how the mind can be utilised for increasing upper and lower skeletal muscle strength and endurance. For clarification, a placebo is described as being any treatment or substance given to a patient or participant that is thought to be ineffective and therefore should not produce any physiological benefits. Should the patient or participant display physiological benefits after being the recipient of placebo, they are said to have benefited from the placebo effect. Increasing both muscle strength and endurance may be possible without an all-consuming training regime. The use of alternate methods for stimulating improvements in physical achievements has become an area of investigation, with studies contributing to the belief in the positive impact of the placebo effect. Overwhelmingly, the transference from the mind to the body is recognised as an essential component of successful training. Our study was developed to further investigate the effects of a placebo on the upper and lower body strength and endurance of 15 college-age males to determine if the psychological factors improve the physiological ones. I hypothesised that there will be a significant increase in strength and endurance initially due to the placebo effect. I further hypothesised that these gains will then decrease when participants are informed they are receiving a placebo. A sample of college-age males would be familiarised with the testing procedures for 1 RM bench press, 1 RM squat, 80% maximal repetitions for bench press and squats, sign an informed consent form and complete a health history questionnaire. They would be issued a 3-day food diary. At their second visit, demographic information would be recorded, also baseline recordings of 1 RM bench press, 1 RM squat, 80% bench press, 80% squats, and the contents of their food diary. They would be issued another food diary and given the supplement and told that it works, plus an adherence form for the supplement. At their third visit, the recordings of the 1 RM bench press, 1 RM squat, 80% bench press, 80% squat weight, and their 3-day food diaries would be made. They would be issued another 3-day food diary, adherence sheet, and the supplement, but told this time that it is not effective. A final recording of 1 RM bench press, 1 RM squat, 80% bench press and 80% squats, and the contents of their 3-day food diary would be made 4 days later. The statistical analysis conducted in this study was done using Microsoft Excel 2010. The analyses run were RM ANOVAs with a significance level of alpha equals 0.05 applied in all circumstances. By observing the summary table of the means and standard deviations, we are made aware that there are marked improvements in all of the exercise procedures tested from baseline to testing 1. This corresponds to the participants receiving their placebo that was allegedly a powerful amino acid compound designed to assist them in improving their strength and endurance. Also to be noted that from testing 1 to testing 2, there is only a minimal decrease in results and that some T1 levels are maintained. They remain above their baseline measures. This is supported by the results of the RM ANOVAs conducted with all exercises, showing a significant difference for all except for the reps at 50 bench press reps at 80%. There were also no significant differences found for the food diary components. These were analysed for total kilocalories consumed, the fat component, protein component, and carbohydrates ingested. The utilisation of a pre-existing capability to enhance the development of athletic ability would be beneficial to all fitness devotees. by using the power of the mind and believing that an improvement will occur may be stimulus enough to elicit the inclusion of placebos in regular training regimes. The impact of placebos in a clinical setting has been acknowledged, but it is in relatively recent times that the importance of placebos in their own right has gained credence. Our study, although limited to a small sample size of college-age males, provided evidence of the existence of the phenomenon of the placebo effect. The resultant physiological increase through the psychological suggestion of enhancement is not gender-specific nor age-specific, as all humans are capable of thought and possess the ability to harness the imagined power into something more tangible, actual quantifiable results. The human mind is a powerful phenomenon, capable of eliciting actual physical changes through the power of belief alone. Being able to harness that power of an individual's mind would add another aspect for coaches and athletes to complement physiological training. Psychological, added to the physiological, leads to increased proficiency. Thank you.